There are animals that are completely different from conventional pets, and learning about these options opens up a range of fascinating possibilities for those looking for something new and different. Raising an exotic or unusual animal can be a surprising experience, but it requires a lot of responsibility, knowledge, and respect for the law. Let's delve deeper into the details of each of these species and explain why these animals can be great companions, always emphasizing the necessary care to ensure their well-being. 1. Ferret. The little adventurer, the ferret, with its elongated body and agile movements, is a curious, energetic mammal that is extremely fun to watch. Although they sleep most of the day, about 18 hours, the moments when they are active are full of adventures. Ferrets love to explore environments, going through tunnels and digging small holes. This makes them perfect animals for those who enjoy interaction and want a pet that is always discovering something new around the house. Caring for ferrets involves providing a safe environment, with toys and enough space for them to run and play without risks. In addition, they need a diet rich in animal proteins, as they are carnivores by nature. As small as they may seem, ferrets are extremely intelligent and can even be trained to use a litter box, similar to cats. Legality and responsibility. In Brazil, ferrets are legal, but only when purchased from legal breeders. This is crucial to guarantee the origin of the animal and avoid purchasing species that have been illegally removed from the wild. Taking care of a ferret is a big responsibility, and you need to learn about its habits and needs before making this decision. 2. Domesticated snakes. A quiet and mysterious pet. Snakes such as the ball python and the corn snake are incredibly popular among exotic animal lovers. They are considered great companions for those who want a quiet, low-maintenance, but still exotic animal. One of the biggest surprises is the longevity of these reptiles. Some species can live up to 30 years, which means that owning a snake is a long-term commitment. Unlike many pets, snakes only require feeding once a week. They feed on small rodents or, in some cases, birds. Proper handling of a snake involves keeping it in a terrarium with controlled temperature and humidity, which simulates the species' natural habitat. Legality and responsibility. In Brazil, keeping snakes as pets is only permitted when the animal is purchased from aviaries authorized by IBAMA. It is extremely important to check local legislation, since some species are prohibited in certain regions. As with all exotic animals, proper care is essential to ensure the safety of the animal and the owner. 3. Skinny guinea pig. A unique rodent. Guinea pigs are popular among rodent lovers, but the skinny version, which has no fur, is particularly fascinating. This lack of fur gives the animal an unusual, almost alien appearance, but it also requires extra care for its skin. Without the protection of fur, they need extra attention regarding the temperature of the environment and the hydration of their skin. In addition to their appearance, the skinny is an affectionate and extremely sociable pet. They communicate through high-pitched sounds and can interact a lot with their owners, making them ideal for those looking for a rodent with whom they can have a closer connection. Legality and responsibility. Guinea pigs are widely legalized pets in Brazil, and care regarding the origin of the animal is essential to avoid health problems. As they are sociable animals, it is recommended to keep them in pairs or small groups, in addition to providing a clean environment with plenty of space so that they can move freely. 4. Tarantulas. Silent and mesmerizing. Keeping a tarantula as a pet may seem scary to some, but in fact, these giant spiders are extremely calm. Some species, such as Grammostola rosea, Chilean pink tarantula, are known for being docile and easy to handle, as long as they are treated with due respect. Although they are not pets that like to interact, they offer silent and mesmerizing company. Tarantulas need a terrarium with adequate substrate and specific humidity and temperature conditions. Their diet is simple, based on insects such as crickets and cockroaches, offered regularly. Legality and responsibility. The breeding of tarantulas in Brazil is regulated, and like other exotic animals, they must be purchased from authorized aviaries. Their care is relatively simple, but safety when handling them is essential to avoid accidents. 5. Axolotls. The miracle of regeneration. Axolotls are fascinating aquatic animals, known for their unique appearance and an extraordinary ability They can regenerate parts of their body, such as limbs and even parts of their brain. This Mexican amphibian lives exclusively in water and requires a well-kept aquarium, with special attention to water quality. In addition to their curious appearance, axolotls are low-maintenance pets when it comes to interaction, but they require rigorous care in the aquatic environment. They feed on small worms and fish and can live for more than 10 years. Legality and responsibility. Breeding axolotls in Brazil is legal, but as with all exotic pets, they must be purchased from authorized breeders. The main concern with axolotls is to ensure that the water quality is always adequate, since they're extremely sensitive to changes in pH and temperature. Important laws and considerations. Before choosing any exotic animal, it is essential to inform yourself about local laws. In Brazil, IBAMA regulates the breeding and trade of wild and exotic animals, and all pets of this type must be purchased from registered breeders. This not only ensures the health of the animal, but also combats illegal trafficking, a serious problem that threatens biodiversity. Raising an exotic animal can be an incredible experience, but it involves commitment. Each of these species has specific needs, and it is the owner's responsibility to ensure that all of them are met in order to provide the best possible environment. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and activate the bell so you don't miss any content here at Vet News. Comment below which animal you liked the most and which one you would like to see in more detail. See you in the next video. See you then.